In this video, we will be showing you the steps to correctly reset your Sharp Roku LED TV. If your Sharp Roku LED TV is having intermittent problems such as locking up, not outputting sound, or if the display is flickering, your TV may need to be reset to clear the problem. Before choosing to factory reset your Sharp Roku TV, it's important to know that this process will remove all installed apps and sign you out of your Roku account. Additionally, the reset will erase any personalized settings for picture, sound, and wireless networks. With your TV plugged in and turned on, enter the TV's menu by pressing the home button on the TV's remote control. Press the up or down buttons on the remote control to cycle through the menu options until you reach Settings. Then press OK. Now navigate to System. Then press OK. Now navigate to Advanced System Settings. Then press OK. Select Factory Reset. Then press OK. Select Factory Reset Everything. Then press OK. The TV will now ask you for a special code to complete the factory reset. This is a precaution to ensure you don't reset the TV by accident. Using the TV's remote control and the on-screen keyboard, enter the special code shown on the screen and then select and press OK. The TV will then warn that you will need to pair your remote control and any other paired devices again after the reset is done. Press OK when the Start Factory Reset option is highlighted. Your TV will now remove all installed apps, sign you out of your Roku account, and will erase any personalized settings for picture, sound, and wireless networks. After the TV's factory reset is complete, the Roku TV logo will disappear. The TV has returned to the factory defaults for all settings, just like a new TV right out of the box. Follow the on-screen steps to set up your TV. Choose your preferred language and location, then connect your TV to the internet. Connecting your newly factory reset TV is essential for linking your Roku account and updating to the latest software, ensuring access to all your TV's features. Once complete, you can continue enjoying your Sharp Roku LED TV.